So yung office ng COMELEC supposed to be is under Electoral Code, Section 55. The place of the COMELEC or any other line agencies is ang mayor or LGU ang mag-provide ng space. If ever na walang mag-provide ng LGU ng space, tsaka lang sila pipili kung saan sila mag-office. But dito sa kuan na to, in this scenario is yung may office sila dito sa baba. May designated na office dito sa baba. Even yung ibang kuan, yung last election, dito namin napupuntahan yung previous election officer. So, meron silang designated na place, office dito sa dito po sa bagong munisipyo. And we have a request po sa kay Chairman Garcia na i-relocate yung office na napuntahan doon ngayon, nag-register din yung mga tao. Doon siya nilagay kasi sabi niya is nung dumating siya dito, doon yung office nila. But there was a resolution, di-transfer na lahat ng mga government spaces, government offices dito sa bagong munisipyo. So there was also a SB resolution non-recognizing the office, temporary municipal office in Danuban. And pwede rin natin makita doon, nakalagay doon sa karatula, nakalagay doon is a temporary municipal hall. So it was not recognized as a government office or a government place na pwedeng mag-held ng office yung LGU.
So sa DILG ang naka-record na munisipyo talaga ng Olas.
Yes po. Yes po. Kaya kung nakalagay doon is a temporary. It's a temporary municipal hall. But in fact, during July 1, there was a signed SB resolution that all government offices of the municipality of Juanes will be conducted here in Calamba.
So anong mangyayari doon sa nag-register doon?
Nag-register naman. Okay, so since meron po kami request kay Chairman Garcia regarding sa relocation ng office nila, we are still waiting po sa approval galing sa office po ni Chairman Garcia yung relocation. But the relocation should be po siya, discretionary kasi na meron tong based sa election code, yung nasabi ko kanina sa 255, yung office is mandated siya sa LGU, yung LGU magbibigay. Hindi sila yung mag-decide kung saan sila pwede pumunta kasi na may i-designate na, may i-allocate na yung LGU para sa kanila. So, while waiting for the approval po galing sa kay Chairman Garcia, meron nag-instruct po si Provincial Election Supervisor, while we are still waiting for the approval coming from Chairman Garcia, mag-start na tayo paunti-unti ng registration. Kaya once okay na yung once okay na approved na yung office, relocation ng office, automatic na dito na po sa Calamba na held yung succeeding registration.
Who really owns the building?
As of now, we don't know who owns the building. Doon po sa Danuban po, hindi pa namin alam po kung sino po yung may-ari nun. So, kaya po, di-transfer po dito lahat ng mga offices. It's because we don't have the idea who owns the lot, and it is not recognized as a government office.
Pero may impulse ba? Yung research na into kung sino may place.
So far po, we don't have any idea sa ngayon po, sa amin po na side. We don't have any idea po kung sino yung may-ari ng mga may-ari ng land na yun. So, dito na po yung namin.
So, tapusin mo
no po. Yung namin is, hinihintay lang po namin yung approval, yung request ng relocation ng office ni Comelec dito. Kasi since nakabigay kami ng letter sa sa Chairman Garcia, so yun na lang daw yung hinihintay namin na ma-approve para if ever na may approval na coming from Chairman Garcia, then automatic mag-transfer na daw siya dito.